kang gumawa ng videos, content creator ka, aspiring influencer, or you just edit videos as a form of hobby. Pwede nga bang i-turn itong hobby na to at itong passion na to into a project or eventually profit? Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Every day nagpo-post ako ng mga bagong videos so pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. Kung nag-edit ka na ng videos as a form of hobby, bakit hindi mo pa gamitin to as an opportunity to earn as a freelancer? I think when you start working on something that you really like, di ba sabi nga nila, find something that you love and you never have to work a day in your life, you'd still have to work. But this time, hindi ka masyado mapapagod kasi gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. And why not turn yung passion project into something na more profitable, makakabuhay ng pamilya? Pwedeng buhayin mo rin pati yung pamilya ng kapatid mo, pamilya ng tiya mo, kung anong trip mo. But I think gaining a solid foundation in video editing allows you to have that work-life balance that you're looking for. But at the same time, okay yung kitaan as long as tuloy-tuloy yung pag-aaral mo. When you start by familiarizing yourself with the basics of video editing, alam mo yung matututo ka ng different video editing software options na available, kagaya ng Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. There are numerous online tutorials and courses and certifications that will help you learn the fundamentals of video editing. But a lot of times, tayo kasi, kagaya ko, kinesthetic learner ako. So even if mag-enroll ako sa mga ganitong classes na recorded, hindi ko siya masyado maintindihan. I have to see it in action. I have to try it out. Which is why yung video editing class namin, nilagyan na namin siya ngayon ng 2 weeks na internship. So 999 pesos lang siya. Meron siyang 1 day, 8 hours na class kung saan pag-aaralan nyo from basics to medyo advanced sa pagdating sa video editing. And basically, yung coverage niya, ang dami nagtatanong ano pong course outline, tinuturo namin doon kung ano yung ginagawa namin for our clients. And then after nun, you guys will have 2 weeks of internship. Gagawa kayo ng mga tasks na karaniwang ginagawa ng isang video editor. You guys will also have a set of deadlines para alam niyo yung feeling ng meron kayong kailangang gawing maayos na output, magandang output, yung videos na nag-create ng engagement. But at the same time, meron kayong deadline. So you know exactly how it would feel kapag meron na talaga kayong sarili yung clients. At the same time, yung output nyo para dito sa internship na to, yun na yung pwede nyong ilagay sa inyong portfolio. Which definitely helps kapag mag-showcase na kayo ng inyong mga projects sa mga clients. If you guys are interested to enroll, mag-join na kayo. Kung gusto nyo mag-enroll, i-click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, i-click nyo lang to. Kung nasa Facebook kayo, i-check nyo yung caption. At kung napapanood nyo naman ito ay sa YouTube ko, i-check nyo yung description box. You guys will then be taken to this page. Makikita nyo dito video editing. 799 pa yun, hindi pa updated yung screenshot ko. But 999 pesos na siya. Again, may 1 day siya na 8-hour class. Pagkatapos may 2 weeks kayo na internship. Kasama na rin doon yung application book session with me at saka yung final activity mock interview one-on-one with me. Lahat nandun na po sa 999 pesos. So kung interesado kayo na matuto na maging video editor or you just want to upskill and add this particular role or skill set na makakatulong for you guys to land higher paying clients, then this class is for you. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. See you at the classroom. Bye!